to discuss about the ROP. So, ROP means reorder point. So, here is the given scenario. If the Sizzlers Filipino dinner expected usage of mineral water is 44.50, when will the company place the order? And when will it arrive, and what are the safety stocks dates? So, the formula is ROP equals usage times lead time plus safety stock. Open parenthesis, ROP, close parenthesis, equals 44.54 O's of mineral times 20 to 30 days. So, ang kaning 20 to 30 days, gikuha na siya sa lead time. Plus 44.54 mineral. Yeah, times pa dyan of 10. So, ang ROP dito sa ubos, which is 44.54 times 20 plus 44.54 nga times pa jud. So dapat mag-una ta dire sa kaning sa sulod. So dire ta mag-una. 44.54 times 20 onya plus 44.54 times 10 equals ROP equals 890.8 plus 44.54. So, ang total ani niya kay 1,336.20. Equals of this is 1,336.2 O's of mineral water. So, place the order, which is March 23, 2023. Unya, ang lead time niya kay 20 to 30 days. Anya, ang order ma-arrive kay March 23, 2023. Na mao ni siya dire. March 23, 2023 niya. 20 to 30 days ang minimum niya nga lead time. Anya, ang safety stock niya kay March 23, 2023 to April 2, 2023.
A few moments later.
Other topic, which means economic order quantity. Yan, maka ni ang kwan para so number of bottle of ketchup required annually is 7,500. Cost of placing an order is $87,250. Annual carrying cost per bottle of inventory is $0.50. A. EOQ 2. Open parenthesis order, close parenthesis, open parenthesis number of order, close parenthesis divided by cost. EOQ equals $87,250 times 7,500 bottle of ketchup divided by 0.50. Onya, times na sila ang duha niya. Ang gawas ani kay 654,375. 654,375 times 2, which means mugawas siya kay 1,308,750. Nga, i-divide pa dyan siya of 0.50. Onya, ang total kay 2,617,500. Ang mugawas kay 51,161.51 of bottles of ketchup. B. Number of orders equals N divided by EOQ. Nga, number of orders equals 7,500 divided by 51,161.51. 7,500 divided by 51.161.51. Ang magawas kay number of order equals 0.15 orders. Anya, sa TOC equals number of orders times letter C, TOC equals NO times OC. Anya, TOC equals 0.15 times 87,250. Nya, ang kani TOC total cost equals $13,087.5. Nya, there is a average inventory EOQ divide 2 nya, average inventory equals 51,161.51 bottles. I-divide na pod pagkaduha. which is money siya. Equals 25,580.76 bottle of ketchup. Ang TCC, AI times CC, TCC equals 25,580.76 times 0.50. TCC, $12,790.38. And the last one, TC equals $12,790.38 plus 13,087.5. Unya, ang total na tanan, TC, $25,877.88. And that's all. Thank you.